Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Healthy Glow, and I wanted to share a tip on how to use the Obagi Elastiderm Neck and Décolleté. So it comes in this sleek bottle, and then when you open it, you're gonna see this roller ball, and we've heard, some people don't know exactly how to use it, so I'm going to share with you guys. You will see on this side, it's gonna say off with an arrow, and then this side is on, no arrow there. So we are gonna twist it, so the arrow goes to on. And then now we can kind of squeeze it and you're gonna feel the air kind of disappear and then the products start to come up. You do not wanna leave it in the on position because that is really gonna make us use too much product. It's gonna be wasteful and then it will make your skin feel a bit sticky and we don't want that. So what we're gonna do is squeeze it until you see the product. I'll show you, hold on. Okay, so see how it's starting to come out. We do not want a ton of product. This is enough for my neck and my décolleté, and unfortunately the shirt I have on, I can't do that, so we are just gonna do my neck. So there's the product. You can use your hands, but we do recommend using this roller ball. It's designed to activate the skin and really help get this product in our skin and help it get to work. So I'm gonna do up and down motions. Oh, that makes me talk weird. And then if I was doing my neck, or my décolleté, I would do the same thing, go like this, keep distributing that product. So even though I only pumped it out once, the roller ball is gonna help get that all over. And then I do like to go both ways. So I'll do that, make sure it's all rubbed in. And that's it. So the main takeaway here is to make sure that once it's on, you just squeeze out how much you need and turn it back to the off position so you're not wasting any product and then not getting sticky. So if you have any questions with this product and how to use it, please let us know and we will help you out.